Today, I'm thrilled to bring you a strategy that leverages Google Maps to carve out a lucrative path in the realm of online earnings. Imagine this, with the approach I'm about to unfold, you could be pocketing anywhere from $50 to over $200 daily. And the best part? This method welcomes everyone, regardless of where you are in the world, the languages you speak, or the niches you're passionate about. The digital landscape is vast, offering boundless prospects without the hindrance of competition. The process we're diving into today is straightforward and impactful. Number 1. Start by searching for businesses on Google Maps. Number 2. Record their contact details in a spreadsheet for easy organization. Number 3. Reach out with your service offerings when you're set. Number 4. Sign up on Fiverr as your next move. Number 5. Your options include drop servicing, becoming part of the affiliate program for commission earnings, or setting up your own gig to maximize earnings. And number 6. For all the resources you'll need, make sure to check out the links in the description. Let's break down each step in more detail to get you fully equipped for success. The first step is to navigate to Google Maps. This tool is your gateway to a global marketplace, allowing you to zoom in on any country of your choice. My pick today? The United States. Then, we'll journey together on the website. The link is in the description. A treasure trove of categories from beauty salons to educational institutions, all awaiting your magic touch. Choosing a category like beauty salons, dive into Google Maps, input your selected niche, and watch as a list populates, each pin marking a potential gold mine. Now you might wonder, what's the catch? Your mission, should you choose to accept it, involves reaching out to these business owners, offering them a ladder to elevate their digital presence. Our goal is to become the architects of their success, focusing on enhancing their reviews on Google Maps and social media profiles. Why? Because in the digital age, reviews are the currency of credibility, influencing customer choices and driving business growth. For an effective campaign, zero in on businesses with room to grow, those not at the top of their game yet. And remember, quality is key. We aim to support businesses we believe in, maintaining integrity in our digital endeavors. To keep your mission organized, I recommend setting up a Google Sheet. Make a list of possible clients. You can add as many as you want, but handling 3 to 5 at once is more manageable before going on to others. This salon linked their Instagram page, so I'll open it in another tab. You could contact them through Instagram or use their link tree to discover their email. I'm confident every business has an email. You just have to search for it. Now you're equipped with how to locate potential clients and collect their contact details. Step 2 involves making that crucial first contact with businesses. This is where you get to shine, offering them a chance to boost their visibility and reputation online with better reviews on platforms like Google Maps and various social media sites. The magic lies in how you communicate your proposition. It's about creating a message so compelling that business owners can't help but see the immense value you offer. To make this easier, I'll share a message template designed to make your proposal stand out. This step is vital for setting the stage for a successful collaboration. At Profitability Plus, we're not just about uncovering money-making opportunities. We're here to arm you with the knowledge and tools to grasp those opportunities with confidence. If you're keen to explore this and other strategies to enhance your online earnings, hitting that subscribe button is your next move. Join our community for regular updates and tips on how to grow your digital income effectively. Step 3 takes you into the bustling world of Fiverr, a goldmine for anyone looking to either offer or outsource freelance services. Here, you have the flexibility to either showcase your own skills by creating a gig or make use of Fiverr's affiliate program to earn commissions by connecting businesses with the services they need. Fiverr serves as a bridge between businesses seeking digital enhancement and freelancers eager to offer their talents, making it an ideal platform for entrepreneurs at any level. In step 4, we explore a crucial tool for fulfilling your service promises. A website that allows you to buy social media enhancements like followers or likes at lower prices. This is where you can directly influence the online presence of your clients, boosting their social proof and visibility without breaking the bank. By utilizing this resource, you ensure not just client satisfaction, but also maintain a healthy margin for your services. This step is about delivering tangible results that solidify your reputation as a digital growth expert. Here is the detailed procedure. First, navigate to the website I mentioned. Link will be in the description. Second, upon arriving at the page via the description link, hit the sign up button. Third, create your account by selecting a username, entering your email, and setting a password. Fourth, complete a CAPTCHA to confirm you're human. Fifth, read and agree to the terms of service, then finalize your sign-up. Sixth, verify your account by checking your email and clicking the verification link, which will direct you to your dashboard. Once you're set up, here's how to use the service. Use the search function or pick a category directly to find the services you need, like boosting Instagram followers, likes, or comments. In the service menu, select the type of service you want and decide on the quantity. Read the service description thoroughly to understand what you're getting and to avoid any issues. Enter the link to the profile you want to enhance and specify how many followers or likes you're aiming for. For example, with an investment of $810, you could acquire 10,000 followers on certain platforms. Checking the Instagram followers category, you'll see that for $920, it's possible to gain 10,000 followers on Instagram. This straightforward approach allows you to provide valuable services to clients, boosting their online presence while ensuring your profit. So the workflow is very simple yet effective. Look for businesses on Google Maps. Write down their contact info in a spreadsheet to keep track. When ready, offer them your services. Create a Fiverr account next. Choose Try Drop Servicing. Join the affiliate program to get commissions or make your own gig for bigger profits. Check the description for all the links you need. This method not only promises financial rewards, but also the satisfaction of genuinely aiding businesses in their growth. Now, if you're finding value in this strategy and eager for more insights into transforming your online income dreams into reality, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your engagement fuels our journey at Profitability Plus, where every tip shared is a step towards financial empowerment. Intrigued? The journey doesn't end here. We've only scratched the surface of leveraging Google Maps to unlock financial opportunities. Stay tuned, engage, and let's unlock the digital treasure troves together. Remember, in the world of Profitability Plus, we're not just about the quick wins. We're here to build lasting success. Thank you for joining today's session. If you loved the insights and are keen on navigating more online earning strategies, show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more content. Together, let's dive deeper into the digital world, uncovering opportunities and turning them into your financial success stories.